In the celebration of completing one whole year, Facteria presents giveaway winners announcement. First of all, thank you guys for your support and love in the past year. We are so happy to have you as our audience and subscribers. Your lovely entries made us very joyful, but at the same time, it made it very difficult to choose the winners. We were all in such a dilemma who to choose as the top 5 of our winners. We received total 11 of entries and they were all so heartfelt and beautifully written that we were so moved. You all are really amazing and keep supporting us in the future like that. So we decided to make all 11 of you the winners. All the participants in the giveaway will receive the prize. So congratulations winners, here are your names. Thank you for supporting us throughout. Now we'll tell you the way to claim the prize. First of all, you need to email us claiming your prize on this email ID. You must write your name by which you have commented and send us the mail. Then we will provide you with a keyword to edit into your comment to authenticate you guys. It could be anything, any little word that you need to edit into your comments so that we can authenticate it's really you claiming the prize. After that, you will have to share your address with us via the email so that we can dispatch your prizes right away. Here are some important points. You must contact us and share your addresses within the next 15 days to avail the prizes. If not, you will be disqualified. Also, you must share the screenshot of you being subscribed to the channel when contacting us. If not shared, you will be automatically disqualified. Keep these points in mind and send us your emails quickly. So that's about it guys. Hope to hear from you all of you soon and thank you for supporting us once again. So thank you all for being a part of Facteria family for the past year. See you guys next Friday with a brand new video. Subscribe to us to never miss an update. And stay tuned for great quizzes, whether personality, fact-based or whatever you guys like. With that, it's us signing off. Thank you all.